The second part of the binomial is what is going to happen this year. So we know that we are going to, for every $20 increase in price, the number of season tickets is going to decrease by 10 for every ticket sold. So you can't just write minus 10. It has to be minus 10x. X represents for every additional ticket sold. What else do we know? We also know that the price is increasing by $20. So increasing means plus 20x. So that's the key to doing this question. Put your first terms are what happened last year. Your new terms always are associated with x, and it's what's happening now, what's going to happen now. Now what you have to do is come up with a quadratic equation. That means the revenue is equal to your number of tickets sold multiplied by the cost per ticket. Number of tickets sold by cost per ticket. In this case, we have 300 minus 10x multiplied by 400 plus 20x. If we skip a few steps and just go straight to our answer, that's going to give me negative 200x squared plus 2000x plus 120,000. That is not the answer. That is just the equation that we're going to complete the square with. Okay? So, let's do this very quickly. First of all, we need to divide the equation into Team A and Team B. I also need to divide Team A. There can never be a number in front of the x squared. So, remember, whatever I do to Team A, I'm only doing to Team A. I'm not dividing the whole equation by 200. I'm just dividing Team A. Let's rewrite this on a new board to give us some more room. So if my equation is negative 200x squared plus 2000x plus 120,000, dividing my Team A and Team B, divide both terms by negative 200. So I'm left with negative 200 bracket x squared. 2000 divided by 200 is going to give me negative 10x, which is a much easier number to work with. But I still have the positive 120,000 on the side. Now that I've got rid of that negative 200, I know that my B value is negative 10. So B divided by 2 is negative 10 divided by 2, or negative 5. B divided by 2 squared is negative 5 squared, which is positive 25. We're going to always use this value first, the B over 2 squared value first. So, into Team A, because remember, I like Team A better. We all like Team A better. So I'm going to add 25 to Team A. Add 25 to Team A. Team B already has this 120,000. So I'm going to subtract We're going to subtract 25 from Team B. But we have to take into consideration this negative 200 that we divided by. We have to factor that in. So we have to multiply the negative 25 times negative 200. If you don't remember to factor this 200 in, negative 200, you're not going to have the right answer. So this is going to be equal to negative 200 x minus 5 squared, because x squared minus 10x plus 25 simplifies to b over 2, which is just x minus 5. And 120,000 minus 25 times negative 200 is going to give me positive 5,000 plus 120,000. So my final answer on this side is 125,000. I'm almost done. And the left-hand side is negative 200 x minus 5 squared. So this is the vertex form of my quadratic equation. The question asked me to find the price or the cost of the season ticket that would maximize revenue. So this x, I know x is going to be equal to 5. I don't have to worry about the 125,000. I know that my cost of the season ticket is equal to the binomial I had at the beginning, 400 plus 20x. So I'm going to substitute x is equal to 5 into this expression. So I have 400 plus 20 times 5, which gives me 400 plus 100. So the cost of the season ticket to maximize revenue has to be $500. Usually when you're doing completing the square questions, you have to first find your vertex, 5 and 125,000, and you have to take the x value of your vertex and substitute it into your original binomials, okay? That's why this was so hard last year, but you have to master this concept this year because you're going to encounter it again in grade 12. There's no escaping it, okay? So that's it for the seminar. Yep. Where does the B over 2? That's what we learned last year. Those are the 2 tools you need to learn to completing the, you need in order to complete the square. Okay? I'll try to post one of my grade 10 videos up as well. Okay. We are done. I just have to give you your seminar sheet, so please don't go anywhere.